Hello, Gurvi.
Hi.
Okay, how are you doing, sweetheart?
Nice.
Nice. What have you got? I can see a lot of vegetables and fruits in your basket. Are you going to cook something today?
Yes.
And what is that?
Chapati and soup.
Oh, chapati and soup. Okay, I can see. Can you just tell me what all vegetables and fruits are those?
Bitter gourd.
Bitter gourd. Okay, can you just chop it up and show me how it looks like? Okay. You like to eat bitter gourd? Mama gives you bitter gourd?
No.
No bitter gourd? Sometimes, but it's very healthy. Can I cook it for you tomorrow? You'll eat bitter gourd?
But I don't like.
You
This
don't.
is so sour.
This is sour? Okay. Anyways, which is the next fruit you're having? Which is the next one?
Avocado.
Avocado. Mama puts avocado cream on your face, right? You like its smell, है ना? Okay. Just chop it off and show me how it looks like.
It's look like same.
It looks like same. Leave it, leave it, leave it, leave it. Oh, nice.
It's look like same.
It looked like same. Okay.
Same.
Oh, both have seeds. One seed or many seeds?
Many seeds.
Many seeds. Nice. So which is the next fruit you're having?
Apple.
Apple. Which princess eats apples?
Snow White.
Snow White. You met her at? Where did you meet her?
In the castle in Disneyland.
Oh, you loved her, है ना? She has got red cheeks like Gurvi. So, one's an apple. Just show me how your apple looks like.
It has just no seeds.
It has
Just one seed.
just one seed. It has a lot of seeds. It's just that mama peels it off and then gives you. So you find no seed in that anyways. Okay, which is the next fruit you're having?
Carrot.
Carrot.
It makes the cheeks red
Oh.
and healthy.
Okay, it's very healthy. Then why do you pull it off from your veggies?
Sometimes I think this is sour.
Okay, sometimes you feel it's sour. You like it in poha.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, just chop it off. Which animal eats a lot of carrots?
Rabbit.
Rabbit?
The
Okay.
rabbit is so cute that it don't do us nothing because it is like very small.
It's very tiny. It doesn't do anything to you. It's a cute one.
I like that.
You like that? Okay. You're also a cute bunny. So just chop your carrot and show me.
It has no seeds.
It has no seeds.
Zero seeds.
Zero seeds. Okay. The next fruit you're having is
Kiwi.
kiwi.
It's so sour. So sorry.
It's sour.
No, it's sweet.
It's sweet.
It likes in like banana, apple, and kiwi.
Okay.
That we mix that and we eat. It makes very sweet, and we like it.
You like it. Right.
And
And
this is
it looks
this,
like
this has many seeds.
it has many seeds.
See,
Yes, I can see a lot of seeds inside. Good. And what all other vegetables are you having? Just show me.
corn.
Corn. It's nice. Gurvi loves corn soup, है ना? Okay, just show me your corn. Who else in your family likes to eat corn?
My chachu buddy.
Your chachu buddy? Yes. Okay, what all other vegetables? What you're left with? Oh, still there are 4 to 5.
Capsicum.
Capsicum. It is also called as Bell pepper.
Bell pepper.
So it's a
Yellow
yellow bell
bell
pepper.
pepper.
Yes, yellow bell pepper.
It's look like
This. Okay, and the next one is
it looks like a monster.
monster. Show me. Right. And the next one is this is a beetroot.
Beetroot.
Okay.
It looks like it has 0 seeds.
It has 0 seeds.
It
You eat it every day in your salad, which you think is a red rice.
Yes,
It
yes.
is this.
It looks like
It's very, very healthy and it's very good for your health. It gives a lot of good glow and
I like this in the salad.
you like it in the salad? Okay. And what else is left is?
There are only 2 vegetables.
Do vegetables are these
No, these are 2 fruits.
fruits? Okay. And what is that? Grapes. Uh-huh. And the next one is?
It looks like
This.
this. It has 0 seeds.
It has 0 seeds.
I like green grape.
You like green grapes, but it has seeds inside which you cannot see. Anyways, which is the next one? The minion fruit. How does the minion say about this?
Banana.
Banana.
It looks like
This.
it has 0
It
seeds.
has 0 seeds.
I like it.
You like it? So it was wonderful, wonderful, wonderful seeing all your fruit pitara. We just loved it all. So
Now can I make some tasty dishes?
yeah, sure, quickly.
Now I'm making some tasty dishes.
Okay.
I'm putting the capsicum inside the bowl. Now I'm putting grapes.
Okay.
Now I am putting some corn.
Mm-hmm.
Now I'm putting some carrot.
Okay.
Now I am
Covering it with a
covering it with a
lid.
lid. Now I on the gas.
Okay.
It's ready.
It's ready. Nice. Yummy, yummy. Oh, it will spill. Put it in the cup. Nice. Good. So, let's have it.
Wait.
Oh, thank you. So, let's enjoy the yummy soup with MasterChef Gurvi. Say bye to everybody and then we can enjoy it.
Wait. I'm putting some cream. The fruit.
Enough.
Bye.
Bye bye. See you in the next chapter. Bye.